Yesterday, you found your voice. Today, you will learn the secret to unlocking the voices of others. Namaste, my brilliant learners. Welcome to Ujjwal Bhavishya. I was truly inspired by the energy you shared yesterday. Today, we expand our world. A wise person once said, "The art of conversation lies in listening." And the art of listening begins with asking the right question. But how do we turn a statement into a question? We need a special key. For be verbs, that key is a simple, elegant flip called inversion. Let's learn this elegant flip. Inversion simply means that the subject and the magic verb, am, is, are, trade places. A statement, "She is from Pune," becomes a question, "Is she from Pune?" A statement, "You are a student," becomes the question, "Are you a student?" This beautiful system works everywhere. In your office, is he the new project manager? At college, are they in the cricket team? This is more than grammar. This is the key to connection. It gives you the power to build bridges and to understand the world. Remember to ask, simply flip. Master this simple system, and you will master asking questions in English. The foundation is now yours. For continued guidance, subscribe to Ujjwal Bhavishya, where wisdom meets
Boredom. Professor Foundation Builder. That was beautiful, but so slow. And you missed the biggest blunder everyone makes. Coming up next.